Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to perfectly blur the iPhone home screen wallpaper. Do you want to keep your iPhone home screen clean and distraction free? Well, blurring your home screen wallpaper is a great trick to make app icons stand out, enhance readability, and give your iPhone a sleek, minimal look. So whether you prefer a soft blur or a stronger effect, iOS makes it incredibly easy to apply. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to long press on an empty area of the home screen. And then you have to hit the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose edit wallpaper option in the menu. And then you have to hit the blur button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And finally, you have to hit the done button located at the top right. It will instantly blur the wallpaper on the home screen so that you can view your apps without any distraction at all. Later, when you want to remove the blur effect, simply bring up the same wallpaper editing menu and hit the blur button. In the end, make sure to hit the done button located at the top right to confirm the action, and that's about it. With your home screen wallpaper now blurred, your apps will pop, your layout will look cleaner, and your iPhone interface will feel more polished than ever. So try experimenting with different wallpapers and blur strengths until you find the perfect balance. And I'll catch you up in the next one.